Good morning, respected judges and my dear friends. Today we are here to present our PPT on the topic work and energy. So first of all, let me introduce ourselves. I am V. Mahesh, studying 9th standard, and my partner.
I'm Eskuradam from 9th standard. We are guided by A. Hamkumar sir.
So first of all, let us discuss about work. Generally, we know that a software employee doing work in laptop is called work, but according to the science, it is not considered as work. So first of all, we have to know what really work means. Work. Work is said to be done whenever a force acts on a body and the body moves in the direction of force. Formula for work is equal to force into displacement, and its unit is joule. Work done can be negative or positive. Work done can be positive when the force and displacement are in same direction. Work done can be negative when the force and displacement are in opposite direction. Now we will discuss about some examples of work. Here we can see in this video, a man pushing a car is said to be work done because he is applying the force on the car and the car has moved some distance. So it is said to be work done. Another example for work not done is, we can see here a man lifting a wooden box is said to be work not done because he is lifting the wooden box without doing any movement. So it is said to be work not done. Now we will discuss about energy. Energy is the capacity of doing work. It is used to move and produce heat, light and sound energy in our daily life. Now by seeing this flow chart, we discuss about 6 forms of energy. They are mechanical energy, heat energy, chemical energy, sound energy, solar energy and wind energy. First of all, we discuss about solar energy. Solar energy is the energy that is produced by the sun and it is used to produce heat and electricity. For example, we can see this video, the solar panels are placed under the sunlight and the sunlight falls on them. When the sunlight falls on the solar panels will absorb the sunlight and convert it into electricity. This is called solar energy. And now we will discuss about heat energy. Heat energy is the energy that transforms the heat from the hotter object to a colder object due to temperature differences. For example, we can see in this picture, here heat is transferred in 3 types. They are radiation, conduction and convection. Radiation is the transfer of heat from the stove and conduction is the transfer of heat through the metal pan and convection is the transfer of heat inside the water. Now chemical energy. Chemical energy is the energy that is stored in chemical bonds of substances like fuels, food, batteries and so on. It is released during chemical reactions of substances. For example, the burning candle. The burning candle is the example of chemical energy because the wax in the candle stores chemical energy and it has chemical energy during a reaction. For example, when we light up the candle, a chemical reaction happens in it. Then the stored chemical energy turns into heat and light energy. Now we will discuss about sound energy. Sound energy is the energy that is produced due to vibration of some object and it cannot travel in vacuum. For example, we can see in this video, the loudspeaker produces sound energy in the form of sound waves. Then the sound waves turn into electricity with the help of electromechanical transducer. Then the bulb starts glow. Another example for sound energy is ringing bell. Now we are going to discuss about wind energy. Wind energy is the energy that is produced according to the movement of air. For example, we can see in this picture, here wind blows very fast and it rotates the blade of the windmill. Then the blades will turn the gear and gearbox. Then electricity produces and that electricity comes to our home with the help of power lines. From now on, my partner will take up the topic.
I hope all of you understand what my friend explained up to now. Let us continue our topic. Mechanical energy. The energy possessed by an object due to its shape and position or motion. There are 2 types of mechanical energy. 1. Kinetic energy. 2. Potential energy. Let us discuss about kinetic energy. The energy possessed by an object due to its motion is called kinetic energy. It means whenever the object in motion, it has kinetic energy. Let us discuss its formula. K is equal to half mv square. Here m stands for mass and v stands for velocity. Let us discuss about it in some examples. Here in this video we can see that the flowing water. The water is in movement, so it has kinetic energy. And another point also we can say that it is proportional to speed of the object. It means if the speed of the object increases, then the kinetic energy also increases. Let us discuss about potential energy. The energy possessed by an object due to its shape or position of an object. Let us discuss its formula. 1. MGH. Here M stands for mass and G stands for acceleration due to gravity and H stands for height. Let us discuss about its examples. A book on the table and a switched bow. Here book on the table is best example for potential energy because here when we drop it, the book is fallen up to ground. And it is another example for stretched bow. It is shape. It means whenever we cut the thread of the bow, it turns into its original shape. So it is also the example. Let us discuss about an interesting and a universal topic, law of conservation of energy. The energy cannot be created nor destroyed, and it can only change one form to another form. The total energy remains constant. In this picture, we can see that here kinetic energy changed to potential energy or potential energy changed to kinetic energy. Let us discuss it formula and some examples. Formula. Here already we discussed that Ke plus Pe is equals to total its mechanical energy or constant. Here in mathematical value mgh plus half mv square is equals to constant. Let us discuss its example. Here in this picture we can see that one apple is falling from tree. So when it is in up, it has more potential energy and less kinetic energy. When it is fallen, it has more kinetic energy and less potential energy. Let us discuss about another topic, power. Power means the rate of doing work and formula for it, mgh by time. Here m stands for mass, g stands for acceleration due to gravity and h stands for height. Let us discuss about its example. In this video we can see that the car is moving very fast. It means it applying more power on it because it covers more distance in less time due to its produces more power on its engine. Let us discuss its importance. Importance of work and energy. These work and energy tells us how objects will move, and these are very useful for motion and to understand motion, and these are used in daily life like electricity generation and transportation, industries, etc. Let us conclude the topic also. The work, energy and power explains that how objects will move and perform tasks. Energy plays a key role in our life because nowadays we are using more missions. It used more energy because they are dependent upon energy. And thank you.
I hope you all understand our presentation and thank you for listening to our words.
Thank you.